डॉक्टर साहब बहुतों ने कहा आपको कि दैट देखो, एक बंदा कह रहा है कि अप्रैल में कुछ होगा, अप्रैल में कुछ होगा, लोगों ने मजाक भी बनाया, लोगों ने भरोसा भी किया, लेकिन आई थिंक लाइक एवरी टाइम यू हैव shown the trust among the students by actually giving them the best information possible in the market. And again, thank you so much for telling our students and everybody in the industry, everybody preparing for that exam, that the exam was in April, and you know, you gave them some glimpse and some sunshine in the dark. So I think that you are the best person to announce to everyone that the NEET PG date is out, and I think the stage is yours. You have done the best thing for the students that was possible.
Guys, so a big news that is coming up is that the now finally the most awaited date of the year, and that is NEET PG 2021 has been announced, and as predicted, as thought about it, that it is gonna be on 18th April 2021. I am sure that those who are watching this particular video, you all are so connected that you all are aware by this time that the date is 18th April 2021. So the video is not to just tell you that the date is 18th April 2021. It is more about what to do. See, the problem that was happening till now was an uncertainty that we were facing, and that uncertainty was that the date is not there. But now you have a date in front of you. Today we have 14th January. So now that means you have approximately 95 days for you. Now try to finish your course twice in this particular time. If you're already associated with us at a fast track TND, we are finishing it on 15th of March. Just maintain that particular pace, and in the next 1 month you will be completing your course. If you have not joined that particular part, or if you're reading the content on your own, please now pull up your socks and maintain your schedule in that particular way, that the latest you are finishing that particular reading by 15th of March, and then you will be having one complete month to complete your revision. The date is in front of you. These 95 days will be very, very crucial in your preparation. Please stay on track. Please stay on that. Try to identify that where are you going wrong. Keep writing the GTs. Enough GTs have been provided to you, as I have recorded a video on the GT. Try to identify your weak subject, 4 weak subjects in every GT, and make sure that you are not doing them wrong in the next GT. They should come out as your the most strong subject in the next GT. As always, I wish you all the best for the exam. We are available for any of your query, any of your apprehension at DBMCI. Take care.
And basically, guys, so basically, I also have a piece of advice for you. So when you are giving a grand test, please, I believe that you should target a limit that above which you have to mark correct, and a limit below which you have to mark incorrect. So your target should be in every exam mark more than 200 correct and less than 50 incorrect, and in every subsequent examination you need to cross those barriers, then less than the incorrect last time and more correct than the last time. So immediately it will help you reach the journey, it help you reach the destination that we have planned.
Yeah.
So small steps, huge success.
A very, very logical advice, Dr. Nachiket. Try to keep on increasing your positive and try to keep on decreasing your negative. Every effort that you're gonna do, with every increase in positive, you are getting +4. With every decrease in the negative, you are adding one extra mark to your success. As it says, a penny saved is a penny earned. So you have to improve your score by increasing positive or decreasing negative. Try to follow these advices. Try to make the schedule. Now you have the uncertainties are out. Now you have a date available to all of you, and use the time in the best possible way, and I'm sure the success will be at your door in the NEET 2020 exam. Okay, take care and all the best.